Now we turn to stage N3 sleep, commonly known as slow wave sleep or deep sleep. This is the stage most people are referring to when they say, "I need real sleep." Stage N3 is where the body does its heaviest restorative work. It is biologically intense, metabolically active, and absolutely essential. Where stage N3 fits in the night, stage N3 occurs early in the night, especially during the first 1 or 2 sleep cycles. As the night progresses, stage N3 becomes shorter. Later cycles contain little or none of it. This timing matters. When sleep is cut short, deep sleep is often preserved, while REM sleep is sacrificed. But when sleep is fragmented, stage N3 is easily disrupted. Brain activity, delta waves. Stage N3 is defined by delta waves on EEG. Delta waves are very slow, very high in amplitude, highly synchronized across the brain. This synchronization reflects a brain that is no longer processing the external world. Instead, it is focused inward, on maintenance, repair, and recovery. In many ways, this is the brain at its most offline state, the body at work. Although the brain appears quiet, the body is extremely busy. During stage N3, growth hormone is released, tissue repair is accelerated, immune function is strengthened, energy stores are replenished. This is why deep sleep is closely linked to physical recovery, injury healing, athletic performance, resistance to illness. Without adequate stage N3 sleep, the body struggles to restore itself. Hardest stage to awaken. From stage N3 is the hardest sleep stage to awaken from. If someone is awakened during this stage, they often experience grogginess, disorientation, impaired coordination, slowed thinking. This phenomenon is called sleep inertia. The brain needs time to resynchronize when pulled out of deep sleep too quickly. Stage N3 and subjective sleep quality. Interestingly, people often judge their sleep quality based on how much stage N3 they get, even though they are not conscious of it. When stage N3 is sufficient, people feel physically refreshed. Fatigue is reduced. Pain tolerance improves when it is insufficient. Sleep feels unrefreshing. The body feels heavy or sore. Daytime fatigue increases. Aging and the decline of deep sleep. One of the most important features of stage N3 is that it declines significantly with age. Children have abundant slow-wave sleep. Young adults have less. Older adults may have very little. This decline helps explain increased sleep fragmentation in aging, reduced physical recovery, greater vulnerability to fatigue. Importantly, this is a normal developmental change, not necessarily a disorder. Clinical implications: reduced or disrupted. Stage N3 sleep is associated with chronic pain conditions, fibromyalgia, depression, neurodegenerative risk. Certain substances, such as alcohol, can initially increase deep sleep but later fragment it, reducing its restorative value. Closing and forward. Look, here is the central takeaway. Stage N3 is foundational to physical health. It is where the body repairs itself, strengthens immunity, and restores energy. It may be invisible to consciousness, but it is indispensable to survival and well-being.